Let us proceed with the first song.
Justice League Secret Origins / Starcrossed. Batman Hush. Released 2019, directed by Justin Copeland. Suicide Squad. Released 2016, directed by David Ironmore. Suicide Squad, the most obnoxious things Jared Leto did when he played the Joker. Things in Suicide Squad that were actually pretty good. 1174 of 1189, every Oscar-winning film ever. Wonder Woman Bloodlines. Released 2019, directed by Sam Liu, Justin Copeland. Justice League Gods and Monsters. Teen Titans Trouble in Tokyo. Released 2007, directed by Michael Chang, Matt Youngberg, Ben Jones. Justice League. Joker. Justice League vs. Teen Titans. Vixen the movie. Superman / Batman Public Enemies. Superman / Batman Public Enemies. Shazam.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.